ma'am. Welcome to Five-Star Hotel. I am Desiree. And do you have any reservation, ma'am?
Yes, I have already reservation here.
Okay, ma'am. Allow me to carry your luggage and please follow me to our reception area.
After you, ma'am.
We are now here in the front of our reception area, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Five-Star Hotel. I am Jessie, the receptionist. Do you have a reservation here?
Yes, I already have a reservation here.
Upon check-in, ma'am, can I have your ID? Okay, ma'am. You have a reservation of suite room for 2 nights amounting to 5,000 pesos. How do you prefer, ma'am? Cash or credit card?
Here's my card.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. This is your key card, ma'am. Your room number is 305, located at the second floor. And by the way, ma'am, this is Desiree, your personal butler.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Desiree and I will be your personal butler. Can I have your key card, ma'am? And allow me to carry your luggage, ma'am. Okay, so ma'am, while we are walking, let me introduce you the amenities and services of our hotel. So first, we have our breakfast buffet at the lobby area, which is open from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. We also have our swimming pool, which is located at the top floor, and it is open from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. only. We also have our gym that is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. located at the fourth floor. And here we are in the front of your room, ma'am. Okay, let me check it first. Room check. Room check. Room check. Room check. Okay, this is where you insert your key card, ma'am, to activate the electricity of your room. Okay, so have a seat, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am, I'll just put your luggage in the luggage rack. Would you like me to unpack your luggage, ma'am?
Oh, yes.
Would you like me to hang it or fold it?
Fold it.
Okay, ma'am.
Sana.
Okay, ma'am, now let me introduce you the amenities of your room. So you have your king-size bed, and of course, here is your aircon remote so you can adjust the temperature according to your liking. You also have your TV remote which you can change your TVs to your favorite channel. And of course, you have your mini bar here, which has a complimentary water, and any item you will be getting from it will be added to your tab. So here's your bathroom, ma'am. If you want a cold shower, just press the blue button, and if you want a hot shower, just press the red button. Upper here is your towels, and at the sink is your other toiletries. And before I forget, you have your complimentary tea and coffee, and of course, ma'am, I am Desiree again, your personal butler. If you need anything, just use the telephone in your room and dial 0 for reception area and dial 8 if you want to reach me directly. And before I leave, ma'am, do you need anything else?
No.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Ring ring.
Hello.
Hi, ma'am. I'm Desiree, your personal butler. I just want to remind you that we will be checking out at exactly 12 p.m. And now it is 11:30 a.m. Would you like me to help you pack your luggage, ma'am? Okay, ma'am. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Housekeeping. Okay, ma'am. Hi, I'm Desiree, your personal butler. Would you like me to pack your luggage now, ma'am? Yes. Thank you. Okay, ma'am. I'm done packing your luggage. Do you want me to carry luggage and assist you to the reception area, ma'am? Sure. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Five-Star Hotel. I am Jessie, your receptionist. Check out, ma'am. Can I get your key card? Upon checking, all are settled, ma'am. Thank you for staying with us. Have a good day and please come back.
Okay, ma'am. Allow me to carry your luggage all the way to your car. Sure. Okay, ma'am. I'm then putting your luggage inside your car. Before you leave, I just want to thank you for coming here and please come.
Thank you. Here's your key.
Thank you, ma'am.